Recovering deleted messages on Chime can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is how you can attempt to retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check the archive. Look for an archive or deleted items folder within the Chime app. Some messaging platforms store deleted messages temporarily, allowing users to restore them easily. Step 2. Review backup options. If you have previously enabled backups for your Chime messages, check your backup settings. Access the backup files to see if the deleted messages can be restored from there. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Chime's customer support for assistance. They may have specific protocols for recovering deleted messages and can guide you through the process. Step 4. Update the app. Ensure that your Chime app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, updates can restore functionalities or features that may help in recovering deleted messages. Step 5. Use third-party recovery tools. If the above steps do not work, consider using third-party recovery tools designed for message recovery. Be cautious and choose reputable software to avoid potential data loss or security issues. By following these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages on Chime. If all else fails, consider keeping regular backups in the future to prevent loss.